This all-wheel drive 2020 Prius hybrid technology looks great in magnetic gray with an aerodynamic design, LED headlights, tinted glass, color-matched mirrors and door handles, and 15-inch wheels. Around the back you'll find a shark fin antenna, blue accented hybrid emblems, a rear windshield wiper, and LED taillights. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious carpeted cargo bay that includes a retractable security cover. From the driver's side, the Prius's streamlined look continues with a large right front windshield, blacked out grille, and integrated front spoiler. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and modern, and it features SofTex leather upholstery, automatic air conditioning, heated seats, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, tilt steering, and an 11.6-inch AM, FM, XM radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, a backup camera, and an energy monitor. There's plenty of legroom for passengers in the back, along with a fold-down center armrest and 60/40 fold-down seat backs, allowing you to transport larger items or more luggage. Power comes from a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder gas-electric Synergy drivetrain, so you can expect great fuel mileage along with Toyota reliability. Gas prices are on the rise. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Litre Road in Kelowna.